That is the engine that's taking us from Moscow to Vladivostok. 7 days. That is not a child's play. That's our driver right there. Zevut?
My name is Vova.
Vova, okay, Vova.
Очень приятно.
Also brilliant. And speed? How fast? How fast this go?
Не понимаю.
Okay, no problem. We'll talk later.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English? Okay, that's fine. No problem, mate. No problem. Admiring Russian machinery and saying hello to the provodnitsa. Provodnitsa is divoshka and malchik.
Проводник.
Or provodnik. Ladies are called provodnitsa, and the male they are called provodnik and provodnitsa. And you do find these little stalls from place to place. Things tend to be pretty expensive in there. There's another one there, and it's expensive in the train. So they're already selling here. Theirs is slightly cheaper than the ones who are up there. So that's a provodnitsa in front of you. If you look carefully, they dress up very nice. I like the color. It's like dark gray. That's our engine right there. The engine that's been wow, it's massive, man. Wow, that thing has been traveling for ages, man. Super. And that's the engine, man. That's the train. I'm traveling in that. You spend a lot of time sleeping, so if you want to relax, this is what you gotta use it. Or this thing is going fast. Oh, hello. Say hello, driver. Angliski? Nieto?
Русский.
Oh, Ruski. Okay. That's our driver right there. Zevut?
My name is Vova.
Vova, okay, Vova.
Очень приятно.
Also brilliant. And speed? How fast this go?
Не понимаю.
Okay, no problem. We'll talk later.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English? Okay, that's fine. No problem, mate. No problem.
20 километров в час. 120.
Oh no.
1220.
How fast is the train? Oh, 1220.
1220. 120. 1220.
120. What's 120? Oh, 120. Yeah, wow, that's fast. Super. Thank you. Zevut?
Vladimir.
Vladimir Putin.
Да, верно.
I love Russia. So that was Vladimir. Oh man, that was a photo to die for. They've given us a signal to run, so now we're running. I think the gimbal is doing his job very well. Woo! Can we go through here?
Бежи туда.
Туда. No, just go туда. Oops. Maybe we can go through here. Running like there's no tomorrow. Привет, can we go through here? Can we go through? And yeah, okay. Спасибо. Roxana, thank you, Roxana. Ah, Roxana, beautiful. Oh, Provodnitsa. Some of these people are just so lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Спасибо. Привет. Добра. That was very... Hello, my friend. My drug. This man is very
my
good.
Friend, my
Yes,
friend.
this is my friend.
Woman.
Yes, my drug.
Ah,
Yes,
right.
yes.
Right.
Yeah, my drug, yes.
Secret.
Oh, secret, yes. Oh, we are in the kitchen again. No, this is the restaurant, sorry. This lovely restaurant here, it's lovely. Ah, she's... Привет?
Привет.
Oh, she's still working, okay, wow. From Moscow. Moscow.
Владивосток.
Yeah, all the way to Vladivostok, wow. One person? Only you?
Да.
Wow. That's very good. Super. Zevut?
Наташ.
Natash. Okay, Natash, thank you. Oh, well, Natash, one person. One person is... She's been working since Moscow. It's quiet here. It's very nice. Hello guys. Привет. Wow, everybody's Russian here. I almost feel Russian. Привет, привет. So you can greet Russian people, you know, they smile when you say hi to them. I love Russia. This is great. Ah, this is my drug. My drug all the way Moscow to Vladivostok?
Yes.
Wow. And then Vladivostok back to Moscow.
Yes.
Oh, that's tough. Oh, roboty tough. Yeah, хорошо. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, this is. Wow.
Брат.
Ah, brother. Hello, man. Hello. Hello.
Гитлер капут, все на кирдыксе Америки.
Нету, Британия.
И Британия кирдык. Какая нафиг разница? Пусть будет Вова, Путин рулит.
Oh, Putin okay. Yeah,
Путин
it's okay.
говно.
Yeah, Putin governor. I'm still in Russia. I'm still in the plus cars. I've just met this lovely, lovely family. It's quite a big family. And they're all here. That's the mom. Zevut?
Евгения.
Evgenia. And?
Кирилл.
Kirill. And that's the son.
Никита.
Nikita, okay. Nikita. Gangster movie, Nikita. In Russia, they show Hollywood, they show gangster movie of Nikita. Yeah. This is the grandmother.
Баба. Алина.
Oh, Galina. Okay, that's Galina. And then, and your daughters?
Злата.
Hello. Hello. Oh, your daughters.
Sister.
Oh,
Sister.
oh, they're your sisters. Okay, what are their names?
Злата.
Zlatan. Okay. And you, my dear, what's your name?
Марина.
That's Marina as well. We've been talking a lot. Yes. What's your name? Akalaka. Akalaka. Okay, that's Akalaka. Thank you, Akalaka. Thank you. This has been great. Cheers. Paka. Goodbye. Yes. Been polishing my Russian in the train. It's been great. Seriously. Let me check.
Ты писатель, да?
Bibi?
Писатель, писатель,
Oh,
журналист.
no, not journalist. YouTube blogger. Yes, you like blogger. Yes, yes, blogger. Blogger. Yes. By the way, you can't just go walkie in Vladivostok forest. You could be launched to the bear, the brown bears. But I say brown bears normally don't come and attack people, but white bears do. So I will be very careful because they're all telling me here. And Lake Baikal, it's like you can camp near there, but also be careful of bears. And Vladivostok, they've got tigers as well. They don't call them tigers here in Russian. They say tiger. So tiger is tiger, and bear it's Meidev, I think. Bear it's Midved. You need to watch out for those because tigers normally creep on you and take a big chunk off the back of your head and you are dead. Tiger is dangerous. Tiger, be careful, guys. I think this is the third or fourth long stop, but it's nice now. One can take a walk and exercise a little bit. It makes you tired. It makes you want to sleep. I think it's a perfect for holiday this, because you can see a bit of the country while you're traveling. So I'm just gonna go and check if I can go to if there's a shop here just to add my water supply, but if there isn't, it's not much of a problem because I can get the water later on. It's a long train. That's the name of the station there. Yeah, that's the name of the station. That's where we are. Kirov? I think it's called Kirov, this, but I don't know. This outside, out, magazine. Oh, нет.
Вот магазин.
Oh, magazine here. Ah, only this to the magazine. All right. Как видите, там still waiting near
Ну, я
5
понял.
минут. Yeah.
Вам что нужно-то именно?
Yeah.
Магазин или что?
Yeah, I want to
Купить
see.
что-то?
I want to see the town.
Просто город сфотографировать. или
Yes,
что?
yes. Mhm.
По лестнице поднимаетесь вверх
Ага.
и прямо.
Okay, прямо. Super. Thank you, спасибо. Oh, I'm in Kirab now. And the time is 6:20 in the evening. I don't think I've got enough time to cross that and go to the supermarket, but I'm going to be very, very quick. I'm going to try and be extremely quick. Привет. Магазин, супермаркет.
Туда
Ага, туда.
будет лестница.
Окей. Минута пешком.
Нет, она едет сама. Эскалатор.
О, эскалатор. Окей.
Дальше дверь.
Ага.
Открываете и глобус. большой.
О, туда. Inside that.
Вот, дорогу переходите.
Ага, я-
Да,
окей.
еще дорогу переходите.
Я-
Проходите вот в магазин.
Ага.
Вот это где лето написано.
All right. Okay, super. Thank you. Tуда, over there. I'm crossing the busy road now. I'm doing this on flip-flops. I should have put my boots on because I think it's been raining. Go in, go out very quickly. 20 minutes is quite a lot. It's a different time in Russia. Oh, shopping mall. Привет. Is this magazine?
Да.
All right. Vada? Where's Vada?
Мелочи нет?
Sorted. Let's forget about a place that's so expensive. All right, let me go quick. Thank you. No escalators this side. Oh, sorry. Well, 20 minutes, quite a lot. Made a big mistake not coming with my boots here. I didn't think it was gonna be that far. I thought it's gonna be like 2 minutes. Cheers, mate. Спасибо. Let's go quick. How did I come here? Oh. I'm on my way now. To the train? Boys. This way? Oh, okay. Спасибо. My train is still here. Whoa. Oh shit, it's closed. Hello? Hello? Where? Tam. I can't see anybody. Oh, hello?
Билет где?
Yes. Билет in there.
Пока, где билет?
It's inside.
Какой вагон?
14. Vladivostok, yes?
Да.
Yeah, билет. Thank you. Спасибо. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, made it.
Ладно.
Oh, it's okay. You can. Okay, if you insist.